I received this tattoo transfer paper as a gift, and it's a great refill to have if you're using the TP31 mini tattoo stencil printer. It comes with 100 sheets of stencil paper, each sized at about 3.15 by 5.24 inches, which fits perfectly with the TP31 printer. The size is ideal for smaller designs, practice tattoos, or detailed line work. The paper feeds smoothly through the printer and produces clean, clear stencil lines. The design transfers well onto the skin, which makes the tattooing process easier and more accurate. I like that the sheets are consistent in quality, so you don't have to worry about uneven prints or washed paper. It's also really convenient to have a larger pack on hand, especially if you're practicing or printing multiple designs. Overall, this transfer paper is reliable, easy to use, and works exactly as intended with the TP31 stencil printer. It's a solid choice to any tattoo supplies kit and makes a useful gift for beginners or anyone working with tattoo stencils.